Alright, so actually throughout the agenda of my exchange to the US, there was a session where all the Southeast Asian fellows, we have to deliver our cultural presentation. As I remember, the time limit is 7 minutes. But to me, at that time, I was the only Cambodian fellow at the University of Texas. So I would love to leave an impact and impression on them, not just the US people, but also to the Southeast Asian fellow as well. So to me, 7 minutes cultural presentation is more than just a presentation. But I would love to leave them a good impression that Cambodia is more than just a developing country, but we also have many potential youth. We are also capable. We are having more beautiful things. We are having beautiful traditions and culture. So that is what I'm trying to show to them, especially not just our culture, but also about our human resources as well. So another one I think is quite important for me, especially as an international relations student. I could visit the White House.
Oh, you did?
Yes.
For real?
Yes, and that was so amazing because that has always been a dream, of course, I think, as an IOR student.